This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Welcome to this Jonny Blockchain video, where we're going to talk about how profitable is this crypto trading bot. I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to show you my journey, all that I've been doing inside this opportunity. I got the same question over and over again. Will, how much we can make here the month? First of all, this is completely different to the other sites that you see in this space. With Jonny Blockchain, we have real trading, real profits, real results. Lately, the market has been on our side. Here we don't have fixed daily returns. That is impossible because it all depends on the market. You might know already that this is completely risk-free. We have full control of our capital. No more sending our crypto to someone we don't know over the internet. So we have security, and on top of that, we have profitability. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Before we go there, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're interested in Jonny Blockchain, and if you have some extra questions, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Anyways, after you register, you're going to have access to this page. All you need to do is click in this button. There, you're going to find all the information on how to get started. The videos are short and super easy to follow. Make sure you take some time to go over all of this information. If you are using a computer, these are the videos that you need to watch. If you are using your phone, you have another video right there. If you want to use your MetaMask wallet, but you have no idea how to install it, how to get the tokens, how to set it up, well, you have right here all those videos. They explain the fees. If you want to use your Binance account, here are the steps that you need to follow. Some other extra information about how to set up your bots, how to find the trending pairs, the calculator. Most of the time, the new users are going to the Telegram group with the same questions, but right here we have all the answers. So I suggest you take your time. If after you watch the videos there is an extra question, of course you can go there, or you can ask me. As I told you, it will be my pleasure to help you with this. Something that you don't gonna find here is the results from the real users. This is what I want to show you now. I've been here for 3 months. Well, it's actually 2 months and a half. During my first month, I just put a couple of hundreds. I want to see how that performs. That was January, and I have some good results. So after that, I decided to put here 1,000 USDT, and I let it run. I don't want to interact much with the bot during February because the idea was to have my own case study. During that month, we got around a 25% in returns. To me, that was amazing. So I have decided to add more capital here. Currently, I have this much trading in Binance. Personally, I like more the Binance automation. Still, if you don't have Binance, you have the chance to use your MetaMask wallet. They are using the same strategies inside pancakeswap and Uniswap. The returns are super positive. You can see right here in Santos, 197%. With Ohm, this is one of the best bots that I have so far, with a 319% in returns, 173, 59% in returns. Jesus has been performing really well. We got a 197 right there. My last 3 bots, 7 bots, I start those Monday, 4th of March, 52, 83%, 50%. And if we take a look at my earning reports, only today, Jonny Blockchain produces 91 USDT in profits. I'm very close to the 100 USDT a day. And actually the last week is been super profitable. 432 USDT in the last week. That is half of the total profit that I have generated here in the last 2 months and a half. This is also thanks to the market conditions, and thanks to this tool, we are taking advantage of all that is happening. If the market goes in the other direction, we are still going to make profits. That's the beauty about Jonny Blockchain. I have some of my bots compounding and some others I'm not compounding. The idea is to increase my position here as much as I can. And if we check the report, during the last week, which is from Monday until today, Thursday. That is more or less a 10%, from the total profit that I have trading. There are some fees, of course. We need to pay a service fee of 25%. So just to give you a rough number, we are talking about a 7.5%, and this is only the 7th of March. If we continue like this, we can easily reach a 30% in 1 month. I've been trying different opportunities, similar automations, and you will never have that kind of returns. That's why I consider Jonny Blockchain the best crypto bot in the market right now. It's also super affordable. We only need to pay 25 USDT for a license that is going to run for 1 year, and we can use as many bots as we want. And on top of that, it's super secure because we're going to have full control of our capital. Your crypto, your money is going to stay in your Binance account or in your MetaMask wallet. I'm extremely happy with the results. This is one of those opportunities that we can present with confidence. I'm also super happy for all of you that have decided to join this opportunity. If you want to get started, remember you can find all the steps in the user's guide. Reach out to me if you need some help. Remember, the link to my Telegram group is in the description of this video. If you found some value here, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. And I promise to come back here to show you my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.